You can use SendSpark and Aweber together to send personalized videos at scale. So when people receive your video, they can see an animated GIF of you and then a caption that can include their name or their company or some other contact information. And then they can click and watch the full video in their browser. So it's going to open on another page like this, and you can see that this is also personalized for them, and you're able to add like a name, some text below the video with different dynamic variables. The way you set this up is super easy. You just want to go to SendSpark and record or upload your video. And then once you have your video here, you have a video landing page editor, and you can use this to add dynamic placeholders. So for example, you could say, hi, first name, on the top of the video just by clicking on personalize here and then inserting the first name variable. You can also change the fallback. So if you don't like hi there, you can click on this and change the fallback to something else. And then you can add a little bit of more content below the video, and you can add a call to action. So this is going to be a button that someone can click right after watching if you want them to schedule a meeting or try a new product feature or sign up. Whatever you want your viewer to do after watching, just put it in the link. And then you can also add a caption for your button. One other place you're able to personalize the video is the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is what like actually shows up in email, and this is going to be on the video before they click. And you can edit your thumbnail by clicking on this edit thumbnail option. And then here you can also, add a caption and add personalization. So once this is all ready to go, you can share in Aweber by clicking share video and then selecting this snippet for Aweber. If you don't see this here, no worries. Click edit add to modify your share modal and just make sure that Aweber is selected. And you can select any other automation platforms you want to appear on your modal or unselect the ones you're not using. So this will be like a nice, clean, easy to use share modal for you. So just go ahead, copy this to your clipboard, and then you can go over to your email in Aweber and make sure you're in a spot where you're able to edit the HTML. So this could be either editing an actual HTML email, or if you're using a drag and drop editor, then you can add a text snippet and switch over to HTML or another snippet that supports HTML. And don't worry, you're not actually coding. All you're doing is just Command V, just paste in your video here. And then you can switch back to, the non-source. And then you can preview and test and make sure it's going to work. So here you can see, let me move my face away. You can see I set the name to be Selena. So you see Selena on the video here. I could do a different name. So before I had my own name, Bethany, and I can see it's a video for Bethany. I'll do Andrew. And, you can see it says, I'll say video for Andrew. So when you send this out to your list, every person is going to see a video personalized for them. This creates a really good experience. It's just a really simple way to drive a little more engagement. I mean, not just having video, but having this personalized video approach. If there's anything you need as you're getting started, please don't hesitate to reach out. But happy recording, happy connecting, and we hope you enjoy. Thanks.